Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial number 122, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model. And you can see that I have already converted it and it is matching with the isometric view of this model. I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website macnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file and I have activated the part design workbench. And first thing which I will do is to insert a body, and I will on my origin plane. And as per the model orientation, first we will create this base plate on a top plane. So we will select this top plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab and hide it, and we will select a 3-point arc, and we will select this and click on the merge, and we will select a line tool, create a rectangle type of shape, and we will make it vertical. And here we will create a line. First we will make it tangent, and then we will trim it. So select this and add a construction, select this and this, add a vertical dimension of 120. So this construction line is not necessary. You can subtract this 21 radial dimension from this, and you can provide dimension to this line. So that's okay. Now I will come out of the sketch and create extrusion of a 10 mm. Select sketch and provide the 10 mm. And now we will create this circular profile, which is this one. So select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, click on close, and extrude it to the distance of 40. Select extrusion, set 40 mm, and here this 2 seems to like a separate solid, so we will refine the shape. Set refine is true. Now we will on our origin plane, and here we are seeing a plate like feature here. So for this we will create a datum plane with respect to XZ plane. So we have selected the plane and click on the datum plane, which is this one, and provide the dimension -32, because from axis to here is just 32, and click on OK. Now off the origin plane, and now on this datum plane I will create a sketch. So I will switch to the wireframe so that I will have the transparent view of my model. And now I will create a rectangle, and I will make this symmetric with the symmetricity constraint, and I will deactivate. Now I will provide the dimension to this line which is of 10 mm, and this is the R10, so diameter will be R20, so vertical dimension will be 20. And now here is a position of 25 mm, so we will create a point and make this point coincidence, and we will create dimension. We will project the edge and select this and provide a vertical dimension of 25 mm, and from this to this vertical dimension will be 12.5. Sorry, it is in a center, so it is a 20, so it will be become 10, so that it will be become in a center. Now press V7 for the shaded view, and here we will select the sketch and click on extrude. So here if we reverse it, we are not seeing anything, so we will check here up to face. So once I activate up to face, I get my model and I will select this face. So FreeCAD does not support the multi-body modeling. If I try to extrude in a independent which does not have any relation with the existing body, FreeCAD does not allow. That's why we have given the relation up to face. Now we will provide the fillet, this one. So instead of we will add a material basically, so we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, because we have created our datum plane to this axis, so this means that this portion we have to add the material. So we will select a 3-point arc and select this and this and add a coincidence, select line tool, close the profile, click on close, and here we will select the sketch, click on extrude, say it reverse, and from other side we will select a face and click on OK. So here is a refine issue. This seems to be like a separate solid, so obvious we will refine the shape. Now we will move to the next feature by pressing the Ctrl 0 for isometric view, and the next feature which we are going to make is this circular profile. So select the face, create a sketch, and here I will create a circle, and this circle having the diameter of 30 and position from the axis is of 42. So axis is here, so we will project this edge and we will select this and this point, or we will switch to the top view, select this point and add a vertical dimension of 42 mm, click on OK, and select the sketch and click on extrude and provide the 10 mm, and we will create this rib. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, click on this edge to project it, select the rectangle and select this line and click on the trim it, select a 3-point arc and create an arc equal to this one, and we will make this symmetric. So we will click on the symmetricity constraint, select this point and this axis, and we will deactivate the complete constraint, select it and provide the horizontal dimension of 8 mm, click on close, and we will add the material, click on reverse and here I will select up to face, click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric, and we will create here the counter bore hole. So first we will create a through hole of a dia 12. Select the face and click on the sketch, select the circle, create a circle, go to the diameter, and this is of diameter 12, close, and I will create the pocket, and I will make it through all. So this is can be made with a whole feature as well here. Now I will select the top face and click on the sketch, and I will create a circle of diameter 24. Select the circle and select diameter, provide it 24, click on close, and this is of depth of 28 mm. So create a cut and provide depth 28 mm. Now we will create this hole. So we will select this face, click on the sketch, click on project geometry, select the circle, create a circle, and constrain it with a diameter 10 mm, close it, extrude cut, and say it through all, say OK. Now here we will create a hole of M10. So I will select this top face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, create a circle, and provide it a diameter of 10, click on close, select the sketch, click on hole wizard, because this is the tapped hole. So here we will select isometric regular profile, and from here I will select my tap size M10, and it will be through all, say OK. Now we will provide a fillet of a 5 mm to this edge. So select the edge, click on the fillet, and provide the value of a 5 mm, say OK. Now press 0. So this is how we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model from the scratch, and this is how to get familiar with a part design in a FreeCAD. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.